What's up mga trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's Rasas activity, Rasas Beerban posted on Instagram her beautiful photo and a short video clip endorsing the devil. On Instagram post, Rasas Beerban captioned it, "Today, I bring everyone to upskill cooking and drying clothes with the use of tefal." There is a thermosignal point that helps to tell the right temperature to start cooking. Help to cook better easily, and you can fry in bowl, grill, and no burning oil, and durable. Processed Pirban also said that you must try it and you fall in love with the tefal. Guessing it was perfect to Urassaya to use it for upcoming to be a wife and a mother soon. She can practice anytime to her home when she had that time after work. Nadech was so thankful that he can marry Urassaya after a long time of dating as a girlfriend and boyfriend. Nadech also says that Taya's cooking was perfect for him.